Hey fam, this beans in plantain boat is one recipe you really want to try out. Trust me, you've never tasted anything like this before, and I've put together how I made this from beginning to the end, even how I made the boat and the tilapia. So stay tuned as we watch how I achieved this. If this is your first time here, please do click on the subscribe button, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always, I love you. So for this recipe, we're needing some black-eyed beans, some tomatoes, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper, ginger, garlic, crayfish powder, seasoning cube, white onion, red onion, tilapia, palm oil, and some plantains. Okay guys, let's begin. To begin, to get some pots and put it on the fire. Add some water for cooking your beans. So you just want to allow that water to boil while you get your beans ready. Run it through some warm water and wash that. I washed this 3 times to be sure that it was well washed because I didn't want to parboil the beans. So by this time your water is boiled, you just want to add in your beans into it. Add that in, add in some onion and cover. The onion helps to tenderize the beans quickly. Now proceed to blend your peppers in the blender. So there I have tomatoes, Scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, ginger, and then the onion. Please use onions generously. So you want to blend that and keep aside, and then go back to start preparing your tilapia. You know, beans takes a whole lot of time to get done, so you just want to leave that to be on the fire while you get your tilapia ready. I cooked my beans for about 1 hour. So the mixture of these, I had seasoning cubes, salt, curry, thyme, black pepper, and then some vegetable oil to form a paste. Then you want to go ahead and do some incision on your tilapia fish and begin to apply your mixture on it. Please do this very well. Let all nooks and cranny of the tilapia have some seasoning. Okay, so you keep that for about 30 minutes, and then now you go to begin preparing your plantain. Now look at how I did this incision. You make it a V shape at the hollow end of the plantain, just like this, not on the other part that has a bump, the side that is inside. So you want to make a long V-shaped deep cut in between, just like this, and you bring out the remnants, and then you keep this and repeat it for all of the plantains. And here you go, you sprinkle that some salt, and then you proceed to go and fry. Okay, so to fry this, before frying, those bits you brought out, you just want to cut them in cubes. We'll fry them later, and you see what we are going to do with that. So now let's begin to fry. You get some pan, pour in enough oil to be enough to deep fry your plantains, and when it's hot enough, you begin to add your plantains. Add them there, and then your fish is now ready. This is after 30 minutes. And now put this in the oven, and I want to bake for 180 degrees centigrade. Our beans is also progressing. You want to check that. So I checked it. It's soft but not as soft as I want, so I just want to put that back. Add some water and then add some salt at this point and cover. Okay, so you come back to your plantain and it's already golden brown. Remember to check your plantains in between the fry, so you know when to flip it and monitor it so it doesn't get burnt. So you want to have your plantain just like this. You take it out and then you fry those other bits of it that you brought out from the middle of the plantain. Fry that to golden brown and take out. Okay, so now you want to begin to prepare your pepper mix for the beans. Pour in some palm oil into a pot. When it gets hot, put in some salt, onion again. Onion is a secret of beans. It makes it very delicious. Fry that till it caramelizes. Okay, so when it's getting brown, you pour in your pepper mix you blended and begin to fry this until it is dry, like you don't have water in it again. Go back to check your beans. At this point, I think the beans is done. You know, you just, when you press it, it should soften without much ado. So you come back to your pepper mix and you keep frying and stirring that so it doesn't get burned. Okay, and then now we are set. Our beans is ready, our pepper mix is ready. You just want to mix that together and combine. If you have a spatula, you can use it to smash the beans at this point So, but I didn't want my beans too smashed, so I'm using the spoon. I still want to see seeds of beans. So you give that a nice stir, turn it, cover it, and allow it stay for like 2 minutes so everything incorporates well. This is after 2 minutes. You want to give it a nice stir and then add in your red bell peppers and green bell peppers. Guys, don't miss this step. You really don't want to miss the crunchiness you get when you're eating these beans, God, and then the flavor. Then add in those diced plantain you diced at the other time and turn that, and then go back to check your tilapia. At this point is ready. You just want to bring it out and get ready to serve your beans. Okay, this was how I served these beans that made it green a canoe. Bring one of the plantains, spread that with your hands, and then serve the beans inside of it. Okay, just like this. Yeah, you want to be careful so you don't get everywhere messy. So you serve that and repeat it for all other beans, and then you serve it together with your fish or any other protein you want to be eating this with. And voila, food is ready. Guys, let me know if you'll be trying this. Do not forget to drop me a comment in the comment section. I trust you. I tell you, you're going to find this very, very delicious. Thank you guys for watching. See you when next we'll see. Bye.